So two former England cricketers, Geoffrey Boycott and Andrew Flintoff, are being taken to task for supposedly disrespectful remarks before and during the first test in Barbados last week. Boycott said before the series that the Windies team was very ordinary, and Flintoff, speaking after Jason Holder's masterful double century, expressed disbelief and said that if a number 8 batsman can score 200, the world is going mad. And the England top order can chase down 600 runs. People say them disrespectful and way and tear. Now, first of all, neither Flintoff nor Boycott is very bright. But that aside, I don't think any of those comments were disrespectful. I mean, the odd good performance aside, including this one, the West Indies team have been an ordinary team with ordinary players for a long time. So Boycott saying the team is ordinary, it is absolutely true. And as for Flintoff's thing about Holder's double century, as usual, people getting emotional. But again, contextually, if I am playing a lower-ranked team and a number 8 batsman from that lower-ranked team make a double century against my team, I would have tell my top order, say, watch a man, that man cannot bat like you. So if him can make 200 runs, Uno can make 600 runs. What's wrong with it? Uno too touchy. Yes. Uno too touchy. We win the test match already. Uno give God thanks. Who cares what Freddie Flintoff or Jeff Boycott say? Uno too touchy. Watch. Uno too touchy.